প্রিয় দর্শক, স্বাগত জানাচ্ছি রেইনবো স্কাই মেডিকেয়ার প্রেজেন্টেড বিশেষ অনুষ্ঠান BPK9 ইন্টারন্যাশনাল হসপিটাল হেলথ টকে। আপনাদের সাথে আছি আমি ফয়সাল মোর্শেদ। আমাদের আজকের আলোচনার বিষয় স্ত্রীরোগ ও প্রসূতি এবং মূত্রনালী সংক্রান্ত নানান সমস্যা, তার চিকিৎসা, তার প্রতিকার নিয়ে। এই বিষয়ে আলোচনার জন্য আমাদের সঙ্গে উপস্থিত রয়েছেন দুজন বিশেষজ্ঞ চিকিৎসক। থাইল্যান্ডের BPK9 ইন্টারন্যাশনাল হসপিটালের আমাদের সঙ্গে রয়েছেন ডক্টর কমনপর শিওয়াকথুন, গাইনোকোলজিক্যাল অনকোলজিস্ট। আমাদের সঙ্গে রয়েছেন ডক্টর রবিন শোয়ানফোন, urologist. A very heartiest welcome to both of you for visiting us. Dr. Anna, go first to you. What is urologist?
A urologist is a surgeon who taking care of the disease of the urinary tract systems and male reproductive systems, including all the stone and tumors, urinary dysfunctions or sexual dysfunctions.
Okay. What is the most common problems that a patient come to see a urologist?
The most problem that patients come to see the urologist is lower urinary tract systems, is such as the difficult in urinations in male. It should one of the most common is the BPH or benign prostatic hyperplasia.
Okay. Then what's the options for treatment for that health condition?
The options of treatment that we should go in the non-invasive way first is the medications, and then if the medications is not work or the patient's suffering from the side effect from the medications, then we go to the more invasive treatments such as a surgery, or the newest technology is minimal invasive surgery is called Resume.
Doctor, can you please elaborate it? What is Resume? What is the process of this treatment?
The Resume is the new technologies to treat the BPH. The principal treatment is to reduce the prostate size by a water vapor therapy.
Okay.
We put some of the scope into the urethra to see the prostate, and we inject some needle to the prostate tissue, and we release the water vapor just to making the cell of the prostate dead, and the body reabsorb it to clear the channel of the urethra.
What is the advantages of it? Why people choose it? Or why doctors suggest this?
The advantage of this treatment is a minimal invasive surgery. The patients can do it in OPD case or one-day surgery, and there's no blood, no bleeding, or less bleeding compared to other invasive surgery to treat the BPH.
Okay. How is the time?
The time it should be like 15 to 30 minutes.
Only?
Yeah, only.
And people can come and go back within one day?
In one day.
Dr. Robin, is it very expensive?
Actually, it depends, but in BPK9, we have a package for international patients. It should be approximately about 700,000 taka.
700,000 taka?
Yes.
Dr. Kamanporn, I will now ask you, what are the gynecological symptoms that doctor often encounter?
Okay, the majority of patients usually present with lower abdominal pain, or pelvic mass, or abnormal vaginal discharge, abnormal vaginal bleeding, or any symptom related to menopause or infertility problem.
Okay. Then what kind of pelvic mass do you usually find?
The most common female pelvic mass are uterine abnormality, such as a myoma uteri or fibroid, and annexal mass such as ovarian cyst or ovarian tumor. The majority of them usually benign, but some are malignancy.
Okay, then what are the options are available for that condition for treatment?
Okay, depend on various factors such as your diagnosis, depend on your the patient preference, the doctor's skill. Some disease can observe without taking any medication, but some need medication, and some need surgery, consists of laparoscope or open abdominal surgery.
Doctor, what are the advantages of laparoscopy and what is the process of it?
Laparoscopy, it is a surgical procedure that put the camera into your belly by minimal invasive surgery, minimal skin incision, The advantage of this procedure is smaller wound. So smaller wound complication, less pain, and quicker post-operative recovery, shorten the time that you stay in the hospital, and less pelvic adhesion if you compare to open abdominal surgery.
Doctor, is laparoscopy is very expensive in your hospital?
Just a little costly because of they take more instrument to operate.
Can you give us an approximate figure?
Estimate
Of course.
around 200,000. The cost of it depends on your disease. So if you had a disease, you can contact Rainbow Sky Medicare to evaluate.
In Dhaka?
Yes,
Rainbow
in
Sky
Dhaka,
Medicare in
yes.
Dhaka. Okay, thank you very much. Dr. Robin, why people of Bangladesh will go to your hospital for treatment? What's the specialty?
Because our hospital having skillful doctors in all kind of specialty, which can give you a best outcome in the treatment in a reasonable price. And our hospital is in the top 10 of the best hospital in Thailand in Newsweek.
Okay, thank you, doctor. We have to take a short break. We'll be back very soon. প্রিয় দর্শক, আপনারা দেখছেন রেইনবো স্কাই মেডিকেয়ার প্রেজেন্টেড BPK9 ইন্টারন্যাশনাল হসপিটাল হেলথ টক। নিচ্ছি ছোট্ট একটা বিরতি, সাথে থাকুন, ফিরছি একটু পরেই। প্রিয় দর্শক, দেখছেন থাইল্যান্ডের BPK9 ইন্টারন্যাশনাল হসপিটালের বিশেষ অনুষ্ঠান হেলথ টকে। যাচ্ছি আবারও আলোচনায়। Doctor, I have to know from you, what do you think? What is the difference between Bangladesh and Bangkok in the terms of treatment? What's the main difference?
Actually, we have standard treatment. It is global standard. So I'm not sure about treatment in here.
Dr. Robin, what do you think? What is the main differences between Bangladesh and Bangkok in terms of taking treatment?
Our hospital have a very skillful doctors in all kind of the specialties, treating the patients with well-equipped and latest technologies in a reasonable price. And our hospital also having an international standards that acquire an accreditations from GHA and JCI. We treat our patients with heart of care.
Doctor, what is the procedure to get treatment in your hospital? And in that case, how your embassy will help the patients?
Okay, we have a referral office here in Dhaka at Rainbow Sky Medicare, which can help you if you want some doctor consultation or medical visa. We have one-stop service here.
Wow. What are the accommodation and dining facilities in your hospital for the patients and for the attendants?
Okay, it's starting from the patients touching the Thailand. We provide the patients the transportations from the airport to our hospital. And for the accommodations, we have a very clean and comfortable place for the patients and attendant to stay. And about the food, dining, we have an international food and we also have an halal food to provide you.
Doctor, people think treatment in Thailand is too expensive. What do you think?
I think it is reasonable price if you compare to other international hospital in Thailand.
Dr. Robin, for which treatment you think your hospital is the best?
Actually, our hospital having all kind of specialty that can give you in all kind of the specific disease, but I can give you only on my specialties. My specialties is urologist, so the treatment that I'm confident is the stone disease and also the prostate enlargement that I can give you in information earlier about the resume.
Dr. Robin, if somebody from Bangladesh wants to avail your services at BPK9 International Hospital, then whom they will contact?
We are pleased to provide you a service and help you. So if you have any health issue, don't hesitate to contact us at our referral office here in Dhaka at Rainbow Sky Medicare. We are always here to help you.
Thank you very much, Doctor. I think people of Bangladesh will be very grateful from your valuable advice and speeches. Thanks for visiting us. প্রিয় দর্শক, আমরা এতক্ষণ আলোচনা করছিলাম স্ত্রীরোগ ও প্রসূতি এবং মূত্রনালী সংক্রান্ত নানান সমস্যা নিয়ে। আমাদের সঙ্গে স্টুডিওতে ছিলেন দুজন বিশেষজ্ঞ চিকিৎসক, থাইল্যান্ডের BPK9 ইন্টারন্যাশনাল হাসপাতালের ইউরোলজিস্ট রবিন সোয়ানাপর্ন এবং গাইনোকোলজিক্যাল অনকোলজিস্ট কমনপর শিওয়াকচুন। আমরা কথা বলছিলাম এই দুটো রোগ নিয়ে এবং এই রোগগুলো আপনার নিরূপণের ক্ষেত্রে এবং চিকিৎসার ক্ষেত্রে কী ধরনের সুযোগ সুবিধা পাবেন থাইল্যান্ডের BPK9 ইন্টারন্যাশনাল হাসপাতালে, সেসব বিষয় উঠে এসেছে আমাদের আলোচনায়। এবং সেই হাসপাতালের একটি রেফারেল অফিস রয়েছে ঢাকায়, যেটির নাম রেইনবো স্কাই মেডিকেয়ার। আপনারা এই মেডিকেয়ারের মাধ্যমে যোগাযোগ করে খুব সহজেই BPK9 ইন্টারন্যাশনাল হাসপাতালের সেবা গ্রহণ করতে পারবেন। অনেক ধন্যবাদ যারা এতক্ষণ আমাদের সঙ্গে যুক্ত ছিলেন।
BPK9 International Hospital is a leading hospital in Thailand that we provide expertise specialists with Thai hospitalities. We build trust and value to the patients. We enhance patients' experience with international standards such as JCI, Joint Commission International from North America, GHA, Global Healthcare Accreditation, and HA's Hospital Accreditation in Thailand. We are well known as complex disease treatment center, particularly heart surgery, brain surgery, laparoscopic general surgery, and urology, DM foot treatment, minimal invasive spine surgery, hip and knee arthroplasty, sport medicine, dental implantation, robotic rehabilitation. We also provide DNA checkup, MRI, advanced imaging center, and aesthetic and skincare of plastic surgery. We have IVF and ICSI from fertility clinic. Our hospital group is established more than 40 years. At present, BPK9 International Hospital, we are welcome all foreigner customers from all around the world, from Middle East such as UAE, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Oman, from Asian country, Myanmar, Cambodia, from China, Australia, New Zealand, or even America and Europe. We understand foreign customer needs, so we have special international customer service that provide multilingual language coordinator staff. Our international facilities include international lounge separately, prayer room, multi-country food with halal kitchen, and transportation accommodation from patients and their families. With international standard, we always ready at your service with heart of care. As we listed one of the first top 10 best hospital in Thailand by Newsweek website, we will make sure that you receive the best medical outcome and good experience during hospital treatment journey. สวัสดีครับ